Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial how I use a disappear effect in my previous video, and here's a preview as you can see. Alright, let's go without wasting any time. Let's make a new sequence from that clip, and they're going to take a few seconds to reload. Just a second. Okay, here we have. Okay, let's cut the unnecessary part that we don't need. Press C to get the razor tool, click on the clip, and then press V to select that clip and delete. That's it. Drag it there. Okay, and let's cut the first part where I want to get disappear from the frame. I'll have to go frame by frame. Let's go here a little bit left, right. I think that's it. Press C, cut it frame, and as you can see I'm walking out from the frame, and as we don't need that clip, or as that's right, press C again, cut it, and press V, select that and delete, as we don't need that clip. Okay, so the first one is our foreground and the second one is our background layer. Okay, let's select 10 frame back for the first video and drag the second video till there. Go to the effect control of the second video, and I think let me a little bit zoom in so you can see it more clear. As you can see, the second layer is on top of the first video. Let's go to the opacity section of the second layer, change it to 0 where it started, and where I want to disappear, I think here I will change it to 100 with a new keyframe, and I think that's it. And let me play it, and yeah, it's not smooth because it's not rendered yet, that's why. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that's it. Alright, so that was it. Let's move on to the next step, and let's press C again, cut this, move that second video a little bit further, and let's add on the effect that will make it more realistic and effective, which is the shockwave overlay. Let's change its speed duration to probably 300 to make it a little bit more faster, I guess. And do not worry about the black screen, we will remove it in the end. And let's add the sound effect, and as you know, without sound the video is nothing. Okay, to make it more realistic, let's move the sound there so we can see the wave of the sound. Perfect. Okay, and let's select the top layer, which we have to remove the black background. Go to blend mode, simply change it to screen, and let's play. That was the magic we need to do. Or I'll turn on the volume so you can see how it sounds like. Perfect, let's play it again. Perfect. I know you guys must be wondering or thinking it's not smooth, but yeah, after rendering it will get smooth. Alright, so let's move on to the next step, and it will be bringing back ourselves into the video. For that, let's cut that video, and where I want to jump back into the video, I think here. So yeah, like you have to make a dramatic jump, so if you like, yeah, you're jumping back into the video, I think that's where I want to jump myself back into the video. Press C again, cut it here, and then press V, select the middle video, delete it as we don't need it. Okay, let's drag it on the top and drag that near to the, I think, third video, I guess. Yeah. Okay, here we have, I think I have to, just a second guys, let me double check. That's right. Let me a little bit zoom in so you can see it more clear. Okay, so where I want to get disappear, I'll have to move the top layer till there. Select top layer again, set a keyframe, change the opacity to 0, and then go back, change the opacity to 100, as we are going to 100 to 0, as it will go to appear to disappear, the top layer. And there you go. That's right. And let's add the, of course, the effect shockwave overlay. Again, change its speed to probably this time 400, I guess. Yeah, and put it on the top of these two layers, and let's play how it went. Let's change the blending mode to screen. I think the shockwave appeared before that, before the video that we want. Let's move a little bit right, and then trim it till there. Sure, and let's play it. That's it. Perfect. And all we need to add is the sound effect in it. That's all from me today, and you can use this method with any of your video editing tool to add this cool effect. Basically that allows you to change the opacity. And thank you so much guys for watching this video tutorial, and if you really enjoyed it and if you find this helpful, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. To enjoy more effects, simply click on the video that you can see on the screen, and to download this preset you can simply click on the link which is mentioned in the description and you can download it from there.